Garlic noodles can be a letdown, can't they? Often, the sauce just slides right off. Today, I'm revealing the simple technique that guarantees a luxuriously creamy sauce that embraces every single noodle. The secret? Emulsifying the butter with that precious pasta water. Prepare for noodle bliss. Let's get cooking. First, let's cook our pasta. We're using spaghetti today, though any long pasta shape will work wonderfully. Cook it according to the package directions, being sure to cook it al dente. That is, it should still have a firm bite. Remember, it'll continue cooking in the sauce, so avoid overcooking it. This is absolutely essential. Before draining the pasta, reserve about a quarter cup of that starchy pasta water. Don't even consider skipping this step. This liquid gold will help us achieve that incredibly creamy, emulsified sauce that will lovingly cling to each and every noodle. Set it aside with care. Next, the flavor base. Melt 8 tablespoons, that's 1 stick, of unsalted butter in a large, light gray non-stick skillet over medium heat. This butter acts as the foundation for our sauce, carrying all that amazing garlic flavor we're about to infuse. Keep a close watch, we don't want it to brown too much. Now for the star, garlic. Add about 6 cloves of minced garlic, along with a pinch of red pepper flakes if you crave a little warmth. Cook, stirring often, until the garlic is fragrant and lightly golden, about 1 to 2 minutes. Be vigilant, though, burnt garlic is absolutely not what we want. Okay, we're prepped, so now for the most crucial element of the entire recipe. This is the key, the secret to truly amazing garlic butter noodles. By adding that reserved pasta water to the garlic butter and whisking, we're creating an emulsion. This means the water and the fats are binding, forming a luscious, creamy sauce that won't separate. This one simple move transforms ordinary garlic noodles into extraordinary garlic noodles. Reduce the heat to low and add the cooked and drained spaghetti to the skillet. Toss the spaghetti with the garlic butter sauce, ensuring every single noodle is beautifully coated. See how the sauce is already clinging? That's the emulsion's magic at work. Stir in about a quarter cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese and a couple of tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley. The Parmesan adds a salty, nutty depth and helps to thicken the sauce even more. And the parsley delivers a delightful burst of freshness and color. Almost there. Continue tossing until the sauce achieves that wonderfully creamy, perfectly emulsified consistency, about 1 minute. If needed, add a touch more pasta water, 1 tablespoon at a time, until you reach your ideal thickness. You'll know it's just right when the sauce is smooth, glossy, and coats every strand of pasta. Nearly there. Serve immediately, garnished with extra Parmesan cheese and parsley, if desired. Now, prepare to savor the best garlic butter noodles you've ever had. They're incredibly simple, deeply satisfying, and bursting with flavor. And that's all there is to it. Just look at that perfect outcome. Incredible garlic butter noodles, all achieved by remembering the simple yet powerful secret of emulsifying the sauce with starchy pasta water. That's the AI Chef Edge, bringing you the secrets to restaurant-quality meals at home. You can find the complete recipe details in the video description below. Let us know what recipe you'd like us to take on next, and we'll catch you in the next video.